Hello teacher, hello companions. My name is Jessica Gomez. I am 23 years old. I work as assistant administration in Tocancipá. I am married to Alejandro. I am live Tocancipá. Okay, the topping choice is the Comparatives. My two cats. My cat Orion. My cat Rutila. Orion is more active than Rutila. She sleeps more than the hen. She is more spoiled than hen. Orion is more playful than Rutila. She is more loving than Pink. Okay. She is more loving than hen. He hears more than her. He is danger than her. Thank you.